Hello. Today I will show you how to change name and phone number in Rakuten Card. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Rakuten Inavi website. Enter your Rakuten ID and password, then click Login. Once you are logged in, go to the menu and click on Personal Information or Profile Settings. In the Profile Settings page, you will see options to update your registered details. Choose Change Name if you recently updated your legal name, or change phone number to update your contact number. Now, type in your updated name or phone number. Make sure everything is correct before proceeding. If you are changing your name, you may be asked to upload supporting documents like a marriage certificate, resident card, or legal document. Follow the on-screen instructions to upload. After entering your details, click Confirm. Review all the information carefully before submitting. Finally, click Submit. Your request will be sent to Rakuten, and they will process the update. You may receive an email confirmation once it's approved. And that's it. Thanks for watching.